Emphasizing chart data. Please open the file 07 Emphasize Chart Data. One way to emphasize data is to change the formatting of a specific piece of data or a data series so it stands out from the rest of the chart. Let's change the color of a data series so that if you would, please go and click on your chart. Let's click on the green column that's used to represent Las Vegas. When you select that, you'll see it selects it in all three areas. Then, if you would, go to the Chart Tools Formatting tab, and on the left-hand side in the Current Selection group, go ahead and click on Format Selection. That will open up the Format Data Series pane. You could have also gotten to this by right-clicking on any of the columns you have selected, and at the bottom you'll see Format Data Series. On our Format Data Series window, we can go and make some changes for information. The first one allows us to see our series options. We can also apply some different effects like shadow, glow, soft edges, or 3D formatting to our chart. But if you would, please go and click on the Line and Border tool. With that selected, please expand the Fill selection, and you can see we can provide different fill options for our information. You'll see on there, it's currently set to automatic, but we can also change it to a solid fill color, put a gradient combination of colors, go and get a picture that we might have or add some texture to it, or even do a pattern fill. Different ways to make it stand out. Let's go and select the solid fill, please. Currently, you'll see it's blue as it's changed from the green color because of the color arrangement. You can choose a different color on there. If you would, let's go and choose a red color to make sure it stands out. And you can see it's a very bright red. You can reduce the transparency of it as well. But I want you to also see, if you would, click on the column for Las Vegas above Mario Cruz one more time. When you click a second time on it, you'll see that only the one above Mario Cruz is selected, not any of the others. Then, if I wanted to, I could change the transparency to make that stand out. You can see that's a little bit more lighter on there. But this gives you different ways to make it stand out and have some control over how the appearance is for your chart information. Now, if you need to format other chart areas and you have trouble selecting it, you can switch between chart elements right here on the Formatting panel. Up at the top, you'll see your series options. If you click on that, you can see your different area options that you can go in and adjust to work with. If you would, let's go down and you'll see the series for Paris. Click on that, and you'll see that ends up selecting all of the ones for Paris. Then we can go and we can do any of our other changes for our formatting options. We can add an effect to it. For example, like maybe you want to add a glow, and you'll see some different presets available, so you can add a little bit of a glow effect to that if you wanted to arrange that. And you'll see that makes it stand out. Once you're through with the Format pane, you can close it by clicking on the X in the upper right hand corner, and then click off of your chart to see how it appears. And these are different ways you can format your chart and have some control of that.